प्रत्येक याला इक्वेशन नंबर 15 म्हणू. दिस इक्वेशन याला म्हणू इक्वेशन नंबर 16. नाउ सिमिलरली फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 15 R3I1 double dash R3I1 double dash equal to E2 R1 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. Here R3 gets cancelled, therefore we get I1 double dash equal to E2 R1 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. Now this is equation number 17. Now we have these two equations, I2 double dash, I1 double dash. Now in first case, when we used only the first source, the current flowing through this R3 is I1 dash, and when the source E2 only was used, the current flowing through R3 is I1 double dash. Therefore with two sources, the total current flowing through this R3 will be equal to I1 dash plus I2 double dash. Therefore the vector sum of currents passing through R3 due to each energy source must be equal to I1 dash plus I1 double dash. That is equal to what is I1 dash? In first case we have this I1 dash, that is equation number 12, E1 R2 upon this, that is equal to E1 R2 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R1 R3 plus R2 R3 plus I2 double dash. आत्ताच आपण काढला I2 double dash, this is equal to I2 double dash E2 R3 upon same E2 R3 plus E2 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. Okay, that is equal to, therefore this can be याचा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे, म्हणजेच आणि वरचे होऊन जाणार E1 R2 plus E2 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. This is I1 dash plus I1 double dash. This is equation number 18. Now from equation 18, and we have our first equation, that is equal to, where is that equation? Equation number 1.5, that is equation I1 plus I2 equation. Okay, 1 second. I1 plus I2 equation is not here. That is from equation number 10, which have I1 not 10. We have equation number 9, I1 plus I2, which is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. Similarly, we have this equation I1 dash plus I2 double dash equal to E1 R2, which is E1 R2 plus E2 R1 is E2 R3. E2 R1, not it is R3, it is equal to I2 dash. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला I1 डबल डॅश वापरायचं होतं, तर आपण या ठिकाणी I2 डबल डॅश वापरलं, तर या ठिकाणी I1 डबल डॅश वापरायचं. I1 डबल डॅश E2 R1 आहे, E2 R1. ओके, and now if we compare, that is E2 R1. Now if you compare equation 9, जे आपल्याला सुरुवातीला मिळालं होतं, E1 R2 plus E2 R1, E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon, therefore from equation 9 and 18 the superposition theorem is proved. Therefore superposition theorem is proved here.